So I just lost my DJI Spark. I was flying it in Mississippi Mills on the Mississippi River, which is right in front of me here. And I was going to do a test run on how long or how far I can fly the drone. I got up to about 1,250 meters away from me and decided, okay, that's long enough. I know they can go up to 1,600 meters, but 1,250 meters was long enough for me. So I decided to come back. I still had about 76%. Sorry, I am sweating like a pig. So anyway, where was I? I was about 76%, decided to come back. Great, came back down to 54%. So decided to do a shorter run, this time about 750 meters. Made it that far, turned around, started flying back about 550 to 548 meters back. Sorry, I got sweat in my eyes. Anyway, 548 meters back, I lost any and all connection to the drone. I was here last week. Same thing happened for about 7 to 8 minutes, where lost all connection. Luckily, got connection back, landed, it was fine. This time, not so much. I lost it about 500 meters out after telling it to return to home, and I lost it. Lost any all connection. I do have the hand controller, a remote controller. It's in my pocket. It's right here. Sorry. So I waited, about 5 to 7 minutes, hoping that it would come back home. Sorry. Just very, very sweaty. I just spent the last hour looking on the shore of the river in about 1.5 meters high grass and vegetation, with no luck. And it is freaking hot as balls out here, not a cloud in the sky. I'm just walking back to my car and gonna turn on the air conditioning because I'm sweaty beyond belief. I went looking for it. I was near it because it connected again with, and it kept telling me that there was a low battery, critically low battery actually. And I looked for it. I could see the feed intermittently, so I tried to find where it landed or crashed. I could see trees, but the river's surrounded by forest basically, and I can't find it. Yeah, I've had the drone for 2-3 weeks. I've flown it maybe a dozen times. It lost signal on me 3 times. This is the 3rd time. Previous 2 times, the longest being about 7 to 8 minutes. It did come back. I lost signal again yesterday for 10, 15, 20 seconds max. And came up again. I landed, flew a few more times, and got my drone footage, my photos, and I was happy. that I came back. Yeah, this time, not so much. Like I said, I looked for it for about an hour, and yeah, no luck. I am, needless to say, very disappointed in myself for flying it that long. But when it has, when DJI says that I can fly that long and longer distances and time, I mean 1,600 meters, 1.6 miles, 15 minutes with no wind. There's a slight breeze. I don't see why this could happen, why this would happen. I'm gonna get in touch with DJI, see what I can do, see what they'll do for me. More than likely nothing, because, well, this is gonna be my first video on my YouTube channel. I am a photographer, I shoot footage. I wanted the DJI Spark as a beginner's unit, a beginner's drone to learn. What I've learned so far, don't get a DJI, or don't fly that far away. Keep it to a few hundred meters, maybe 200-300 over a farmer's field. I can't see taking this over subdivision, over a forested area, over a lake or a river. I know people do. I've seen videos of people crashing it on water in lakes and rivers, and I am grateful for the time I had with it, the 3 weeks. Would I buy this again? Probably. Would I fly over horrible terrain? No. Would I fly anywhere where I can't see it? I did have line of sight, I could see it. I've flown this over my parents' subdivision where they live. I've flown it, you know, over a farmer's field. I lost the leading connection there. I've flown it over a river. I lost connection twice. Second time, couldn't find it. I told it to go home with about 50%, 52% of battery juice. It was coming back home. I had my hopes. My hopes have been dashed with this. I lost my contract for work last week, so I thought, you know, this was a great opportunity to learn to fly this. I've flown it every day this week except yesterday. Tuesday was my last flight. Yesterday I spent time with my girlfriend at lunch, and I had some work to do yesterday to get prepped for hopefully another contract. I am more than disappointed right now. On Monday when I flew here, lost connection for 7 to 8 minutes. Actually, I have the video on my computer, so I'll post it up after I post this one. Yeah. Needless to say, my phone works great. It's the iPhone 8 Plus. The app hasn't crashed on me. Nothing. I am really happy with this thing. It gets me, it does what it's supposed to. But I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hopefully, I'm hoping DJI does something for me. Like I said, I'll post this video on YouTube. That'll be my first one, honestly. I don't know. I am disappointed, mad, um, really down. It's been a horrible week for me. This is just total BS. That on a nice sunny day like this, 26, 27 degrees, sunny, not a cloud in the sky, and I lose the drone. I could understand in shitty weather, rain, high winds, whatever, I wouldn't fly in that. I take care of my stuff. You could ask my ex-wife, you could ask my current girlfriend. Yeah. If anything happens as far as DJI, or I might just go out and buy another one, and I'm not going to fly over, bodies of water and out that long. Yeah. I don't know. I am more disappointed than mad. I am mad, don't get me wrong. But, yeah, we'll see. Thanks.